Hi, I'm Tabby. Today I received this little rocket launcher toy. I'm gonna get it opened up and give you guys a little review. So here's how the packaging looks. It already feels super light. All right, so this looks like a little dock for it, and there's a charger in there as well. And then we've got instruction manual. And then here is the rocket.
Here's the launch button and then the on-off switch.
So it's just made out of this really thick foam material. It is very, very lightweight, and it's supposed to fly way up in the air, like 200 feet. So I'm going to give this a charge and we're gonna go test it out.
So while the device is charging, the USB will light up red, and when that light goes off, then it's fully charged.
All right, so here's the pieces for that base, and they just kind of snap into the bottom really easily.
All right, to set this thing up for launch, you place it on its base, and then you flip the switch to on, and then the launch button, you can either press it once or twice depending on how high you want it to go. This specific time, we pressed it 2 times, so it launched the rocket 200 feet in the air, and then it deployed the parachute and floated nicely down to the ground. It was so cool. We truly loved it, and we were completely shocked at how high this thing went up in the air. So the process to get the parachute back inside the rocket is really super simple. I twisted the parachute up some and then pushed the strings in and then the parachute and closed the rocket back up. The top of the rocket sits loosely in the hole, and it's super simple. And here's a sped up view of one press, which sends it 100 feet in the air. And then here is a quick look at how it looks at night. It does have some lights on it. This time it shot up 100 feet, and it gives off a beautiful blue glow at night. So if you were looking for a really fun and fascinating toy to get your children involved with, I think that this is a really cool option. Now, obviously you want to keep them back whenever it's launching, but it is truly so much fun, and I would definitely recommend this.